Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Arian. And it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are taking a look at I think this is Asia Costa's first movie in over a year. Yeah. So while you all look at the gameplay of some Wuthering Waves Yu-Gi-Oh! I am here to give you the a spot on demonstration on doing a review for Sorority. Yes, this is Sorority starring Asia Costa, Apple D, Rinoa Halili, and Julian Richards with Marco Mora as your lead male. So this is Azi's first movie I think since what? Akala ko nag-mainstream na siya. So, siguro walang masyadong projects sa mainstream or di siya tinanggap gaano. But all the best naman sa mga luck sa mga BMX stars. We are seeing so many BMX stars going to mainstream media lately na nawawala na yung mga malalaking pangalan. And it's good to have Azzy back. Maybe even though it's not a regular basis, at least we can guarantee na we got some big names here. And speaking of big names, simula nung nangyari ito, the views began to tank. Meaning ng tangke is bumaba kasi wala na tayong masyadong malaking pangalan. All of the BMX stars now are the new ones. I'm glad na pinupush ng Viva management yung mga bagong names, but still iba talaga nung nandiyan pa sina Azi sa kasi na sino pa yun? Sina Azi, sina Angelica, etc. And speaking of Angelica was on Batang Quiapo and she got killed off. So maybe this will feed her up for a BMX return, I suppose. Kasi I'm not sure any projects. Also, we are on the Dustbin Train. The Dustin Train is still ongoing. Yes. Medyo masaya ako sa nangyayari resulta kasi talo ako. Kasi nakikita na yung mga pursi ng ating bet. Okay, nakikita na maglakas ang dating ng ating bet na si Dustin. Okay, so what is Sorority? Sorority is a GL movie starring Apple D and lang, Apple D and Asia Costa. So Ozzy is Cassidy or Cass. She is entering the sorority of Whispers kung saan membro ang kanyang campus crushie na si Apple D. Yes. So ano to? I think based on the plot, it's a girl exclusive school. Siguro kaya medyo medyo puro babae yung mga leads dito. Pero may dito yung boyfriend ni Renoa Halili na ginagampanan na ginagampanan ni Marco Mora. So Renoa Halili is Sandra, she is the leader nung sorority na to. And she has the iron clad grass dun sa sorority na to. Meaning ironclad, isa siyang ma-impluwensya eh. Parang hindi siya basta-basta mapapapagsak and all the new recruits has to go through her. So, what does that mean for our heroine Azzy? It means she is under control. She has to join this group else her college life will be F up by the system. Kasi ang dating pag-college, di ba, kailangan mag-fraternity even though it's not a real life scenario. Okay? Hindi ka pwede magbasta-basta fraternity sa college. Dapat kilatisin mo mabuti yung sinasalihan mong fraternity at sigurado dapat wala yung mga hazing-hazing na yan. We don't like hazing dito. Okay? Kung tutuusin, yun yung medyo wild. Okay? Medyo out of control, out of this world experience ng ng mga universities natin. So, ayun. Cassidy is forced to join and and Sandra is the boss. Sa una, mabait naman si Sandra kay Cassidy. Like, totally normal for a frat leader or a sorority leader. Pero lumalabas ang tunay na kulay niya as a power tripper mula nung makilala niya itong si Julian Richards na ginagampanan si Rina. Okay. So, ano meron kay Rina? So, Rina is somewhat same kay Cassidy. She is new, and she also joined the same sorority Cassidy had joined. So, kumbaga, magkakabat sila dito sa sorority na sinalihan nila. So, anong nangyari dito, there was a welcoming committee, and yung boyfriend ni Sandra na ginaganap ni Marco Mora, ang pangalan ay Franco, medyo pre-nerd itong si Rina. Okay? So, wala namang nangyaring masama sa umpisa, pero kumbaga, parang sinabi mo nagluluto na. Okay? Alam na yung susunod na kapanata dito. Niluluto na. We know what's cooking, guys. Okay? So, bigyan muna tayo ng background sa dalawa. So, I think based on the events or kung ano man yung course ng movie nila, they are criminology students. I think mga babaeng criminology students, and they tackle 2 cases. Parang may graded recitation scenes dito. Na-attract si Acosta sa cold demeanor. When I say demeanor, yung pagiging cold ni Apple D, ni Celine. Celine pala yung pangalan ni Apple D dito, karakter niya, ni Celine. There is an instance na meron silang kaklase, I think the name was Carla. Di siya nakapag-prepare sa graded recitation. And then, the professor called out Celine. Okay. So, by Celine's grace, being a better student, syempre, nag-aral siya and she managed to nailed the graded recitation by of the professor. Okay. So, after nailing this graded recitation, tinanong ng professor, is it fair that I give ang tawag doon, I give you an 1 and Carla a 5, which is sinagot ni Celine na fair because justice can be cruel sometimes. Okay? Yung tipong there is no room for emotion. And this cold-heartedness, this cold demeanor is what made Ozzy, or rather, what made Cassidy get attracted to Celine per se. Okay. So we go back to the welcoming party. Lasing na lasing itong si Cassidy. si Celine ang nakapansin kasi yung klase niya sa isang class itong si Cassidy. And what happened is Cassidy finally accepts the fact that she is attracted to Celine and admits it to her. Una, sinabi ni, lasing ka lang. Okay, lasing ka lang. Pag mo, di kita papatulan, lasing ka lang. And then, Cassidy suddenly, the heck? Calciaro! Okay, that was surprising. Okay. So sa simula akala masaya si diring-diri itong si Celine kasi lasing. Okay, lasing na lasing si Celine para kay Cassidy. Ay, lasing-lasing ang tingin ni Celine kay Cassidy. At bigla na lang hinahalikan siya. Kinakare siya ng halik. And it's a very passionate kiss naman siguro. We're gonna autoplay this. At when when it's all said and done, na-attract itong si Celine kay Cassidy. At yun, they went to have sex. And then they had this long montage of the two of them dating and such. After that, nalaman ni nalaman ni ano nalaman ni Sandra na nag-flirt si Rina sa kanyang boyfriend at kumbaga once that nagpakalat si Sandra ng scandal and kumalat ito sa buong campus rendering Rina kinda humiliated. Siyempre, scandal eh. Iniskandalo ko eh. Humiliated yung nangyari sa'yo, yung feeling mo. And after that humiliation, Azzy or Cassidy confronts Sandra at inasar niya, Sandra Durugista. Sandra with the power kasi anak siya ng kongresista. Eh, ang ginawa is she got expelled from school for battery, assault, and just like that, akala natin tapos na. We're gonna have a bad ending on this movie. Turns out, may nangyari. Nagtatalik si Marco saka si Sandra as sinuli sila ng police for taking illegal drugs, for taking illegal substance. And yeah, that's how Sorority ends. Ni-report ni Celine saka ni Cassidy yun nangyari. It all loops back to justice being cold kahit na sorority member mo siya. And that, my friends, is my review or my recap of Sorority. What do I think of the premise of the movie? I think it was nicely done. I think the execution was well made. Okay? When I say well-made execution, we got the message very loud and clear. It flows through fast. I think the only downside para sa akin dito sa pelikula na to is yung long montage na nagde-date sina Celine sa si Cassidy. I think that part was a little bit boring para sa akin, respectfully. Okay. Yeah, I got bored at that part. We could have removed that scene and saved like 20 minutes of the movie, but it is what it is. So, yun. So, welcome back, Ozzy. My review for you is, I think this is a peak. When it comes to the BMX movie releases this year, the segs is good, the mature scene is good, the story is good. It just dragged on that little certain part ng movie na yung parang nagmumukha nagde-date sila. Yeah, I think it got dragged on talaga dun sa part na yun. And I'm sorry if I'm a bit harsh on this, pero yun yung parang yun yung puna ko, okay? Yun yung puna ko. Okay, so other than that, what else? I think that's gonna be. I think that's gonna be it for my takes on this wonderful film. I think it was nicely done, nicely executed. Paulit-ulit lang ako. And yeah, I think this is, in short, I think this is peak. Ngayon, what is next for VMX? We got a movie this coming Tuesday. It's called Bayo. Yeah, we're gonna review that. Certainly, we're going to review that. But all in all, ayun. Thank you for watching, guys. This is your God Gamer, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bye.